everyone, this is Joy with Everything Diamond Painting. I have unusual unboxing or already unboxed painting for you today. I've just been dealing with lighting and glare and camera and all kinds of things that I'm coming across now as being a new content creator. So I have already unboxed this painting, and so I've got it sitting on my board. What I finally had to do was put 2 light pads behind it because the painting is rather dark because most of the background is dark. And no matter what we did with the lighting, the picture wasn't coming across good on the camera. So I thought, well, I'll just put some light pads behind it. One pad is large and one pad is small, so you could probably will see the difference. I'll have to move the painting up and down for you to see. Anyway, I want to start off with thanking my subscribers and new subscribers. I really appreciate it. I need all the help I can get starting out. And for you new people that are joining in, you new diamond painters, thank you. And I hope you enjoy what you see. This is like only the second unboxing that I'm doing, so I'm getting used to it. And if you like the video, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe, and then hit that little bell next to it or click on it. That will notify you of future videos that I'm doing. The other thing I'm going to tell you is that here in Washington, it's a nice sunny spring day. We finally got some nice warm weather. Everybody's outside doing their lawns. The kids are playing Sunday afternoon. And I've got my dogs in the house and the windows open, so you'll probably hear the dogs barking anytime somebody walks by the house. I have this big bay window, and they get up there and start barking at them or any noise. So anyway, you'll hear that in the background, and my husband's doing some stuff outside too. So, but I couldn't help but open the windows today because it's just get all that good sunshine in. Okay, so back to the painting. I've got them on the light pads. The line down the middle here, that is the 2 light pads together. I'll have to, adjust this along the way. So, there's no name on this painting. It's from Painting Bling Art.com. And it's 50 by 50 centimeters. Let's see if I can get this in the light here. I don't know if this is going to be in the light. So that's the other thing. So I'm trying to get a good picture of it there for you. There we go. It's gotten in there. I've got the light showing on it. This is what it's going to look like. Right now it's kind of a dull looking because there's so much dark color in the background. But the flowers are going to be beautiful. It was on the picture I saw when I got online with them. This painting has 30 colors in it. They're round. The ID number on here, I guess it's DJY127. So that's the picture name. Other than that, there isn't any name. So I'm just going to call it a flash of color because that's what it looks like when it's done. I also got a little thank you card in with the package. And it says, see, my lighting's not real good. It says, thank you. Use discount code BLINGART for 10% off your next purchase. See? So that's kind of nice that they sent that. So, I'll have to take a look at it again. So these are the drills. And of course, I've opened them already. But you can see some of the colors. I get it into the light there. I have to show everything up close or they won't show. So I'll take a few of them out for you so you can see in a little bit. So here's the painting. It's kind of a stiff canvas, but I've had those before and I can work with it. They really don't bother me. So I've already lifted the paper up. It is a poured glue, as you can tell by the paper covering on it. Okay. The drill field, we've got the greens for the leaves right here. See them? Greens are leaves, and then I'll pull this down a little bit. You can see the rest of it. We've got pinks and reds, yellows. This whole section is white. I was hoping it'd be ABs, but it's just white. And we've got some pinks and reds and purples, lavenders in here. See that? I did mention it was 50 by 50, right? Okay. So anyway, the drill field looks really clear. I'll hold this up to you. Let me get my hand out of the way. This is all the background. I thought it was color blocking, but as I look at it, it's more, let's see if it'll focus. There we go. It's J's and 1s and 4s, all in the back. So it's kind of a mishmash, and S's and R's. So it's kind of a mishmash of numbers. So it's not going to be a good multi-placer. Let's see if we get that focus there. If I just hold it still enough. There we go. You can kind of see that. Okay, then we've got the different pretty colors in here. Move this around for you. See, so the circles, the drill field is really clear, so I'm not going to have any problem seeing the numbers. There's no training wheels on the circles, which is really good. Then they'll get covered up pretty good by the drills. So there you have it, and there's where all the flowers are coming out. And by that picture, you can see that the colors are going to end up being really bright. So here's some more of the pictures, kind of big for my board, but as you can see, all right, I think that looks pretty nice. It's going to be beautiful when it's done. I'm going to just love it, and it's going to be a square size, so hopefully a frame will not be too hard to fit this. And I don't know if I showed you the legend here, the DMC codes. We'll kind of try to put that up there. See? So there's 30 of those colors. This one only has one legend on it. It's just on this top right corner. They do have a picture here on this side just showing how to diamond paint, how to stick it on your pen and the glue, and, you know, just like all the other ones kind of show you. See? So that's that. Now comes the drills. I'm going to have to put them out on the board because of the light pad. And my light is not shining unless I don't know, unless I get way up here. Anyway, this is my first experience with lighting. So I think I might try to, now that we've seen the painting already, it's going to be a lot to fill in on this area here. But it should be fun. It'll be nice and relaxing. A single placer on this one, and just take my time. Okay, now we got the drills out. Since I've already had them open, I thought I'd just kind of spread them around here. We've got two big packages, and I suppose these are going to be for the background. We've got a dark blue and I like a 939 color here. They're calling it 823. So these look like they'll be background pictures in the background. We've got some pretty shades of purple and lavender right here. Okay, here's another pretty one. Little shades there. See? And got some, ooh, this is for the leaves. Got some green leaves, leaf green color. And I noticed we got some stragglers in here. Look, you can see that one there, and there was one right in here. Oh, here's another one here. You can kind of see that. Nope. And oh, we got another straggler over here. A couple of them. Look at that. They lost their way. So we got some right there and some on the top here. How funny that happens. So got a couple, and then we got the mustard yellow. Another like a tan color. I just like all the pretty, these are the colors that I tend to go to, the mauves, the burgundies, the corals, the pinks. These are like my favorite colors, so maybe that's why I got attracted to the picture. Anyway, those are the drills. There's 30 of them. They come in plastic bags, and I know a lot of you go, yay, plastic bags, but me, I don't like working with the bags. I like putting them in containers. Maybe that's my process of diamond painting, is the containers and sorting them that way and labeling them and pouring from them. I don't know. So I will take these out and I will be putting them into their little like maybe Harbor Freight or my Tic Tac one or my Elizabeth Ward one. I think they've changed the name on that set of trays, Elizabeth Ward. I think it's like Beads and Pearls tray now. You can look on Amazon. So without any more further ado, I think I'm going to say goodbye. And I'm glad you came. So stay tuned in future videos that, I'm going to start that painting. Bring it back over here so you can see it again. And it is going to be pretty. It's going to be pretty. Once all the colors, and I'm sure this black background's going to, just make it stand out. So, okay. Oh, the drill tray. I didn't show you that. It's a standard drill tray. It's got the pink wax or red wax, the white tray. It's got curved tweezers. I don't use tweezers very much. They don't like me. And the standard drill pen. It's got a multi-placer on the end. It doesn't have it marked anywhere where it's a 7 or 8 or a 9. So this might be an 8-placer. I don't know. And of course the single placer. So there we go. And I'm going to leave you here. And don't forget to wash your hands, be good and kind to your neighbors, and enjoy life. That's all I've got to say, is enjoy your life. No matter what's been happening in the last year and a half, you got to enjoy your life, okay? So see you later. Bye-bye.